Yes children, as you people know, in the previous chapter of grammar we have completed the topic this and that. Yes, this and that is used for the singular things. Yes or no children? And this is used when the things are very close to us. And that is used when the things are far away from us. But remember children, the things when they are in the singular, then only we use this and that. So here, now today we are going to start the new topic in the grammar related to this and that, that is those and these. Yes, when the things are in the singular, we use this and that. But when the things are more than one, when the places are more than one, when the people are more than one, then we use these and those. What we use there? These and those. Yes children. Now the topic is 24. That is these and those. Don't open a textbook children. Just listen to my explanation first. Yes? First you listen what I am explaining. Then afterwards you can open your textbook. Yes children. Now here these and those are used for the plural things. For what? Plural. Plural is what, miss? Plural means the things which are more than one. Yes or no? For example, now I have only one pencil. So this is singular. But I have 4 markers. Then this is what? This is plural. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many are there? 4 are there. How many are there children? 4 markers are there. And the pencil is only 1. So this is singular. When the things are more than one, we call it as plural. So I say this is a pencil. Why? Because this is only one. Then this is very close to me. Yes or no? This pencil is very close to me. I say this is a pencil. But here the markers are also close to me. But they are more than one. Then what I should use here? These. What I should use here? These are markers. What I say? These are markers. Why I am using these children? Because they are more than one. More than one means how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. How many? 4. So these are 4. They are more than one. How many are there? 4. So we use their what? These. When we use these, when the thing is very close to us, when the thing is very near to us. Yes or no? Now, those singular is that. I say that is a fan. That is a fan. It is singular. Only one fan is there. So I use that. When they are more than one, I say those are fans. I say those are trees. You can see many trees are there near our school. Yes or no? They are far away from us. But they are more than one. For that what I use there? Those. Why I use those? Because they are far away. Yes or no? They are far away. Those are trees. That is a fan. This is a pencil, singular. These are markers, more than one. Yes or no? Yes. When the thing is closer to us, when it is only in one, we use this. And when the thing is closer to us, nearer to us, when that is more than one, then we use these. And then when the thing is only one, but it is far away from us, then we say that. And when the thing is more than one and when it is far away from us, we use those. What we use there? Those. For example, now first let me write the note here. So the first one. We use these and those. We use these and those to point out plural things around us. To point out plural things around us. Then second point. These is used for things. These is used for things. For things that are near to us. That are near to us. Next is those is used for the things that are far from us. That are far from us. So here, we use these and those to point out plural things around us. Whatever the thing we find around us, nam sutta mutta around us. Then, when the thing is more than one, we use there these or those. Yes? But here, these is used for things that are near to us. When the things are near to us, close to us, hatra, near, then it is more than one, then we use their what? These. What we use? These. And when the thing is more than one and is far away from us, then we use their what? Those. What we use there? Those. So these is used to the nearer things when they are more than one, and those is used for the far things when they are more than one. So here one more children, that is singular. When it is in the singular, this is plural. When it is in the singular children, we say this to the things which are close to us. The thing which is far away from us, we use there that. The same thing here, when the thing is more than one, when it is near to us, we use what? These. What we use children? These. And when the thing is far away from us, when it is more than one, we use their what? Those. Those. Yes or no? We use their those. So let me show you some of the images children. Then you can understand these and those topic. So children, here you can see now the images. Dash are puppies. So see children, the puppies are far away. So we use their what? Those. Now here you can see the pens. There are two pens and they are very near. Then we use their these are pens. Third one, you can see the boats are far away. Then we say there those are boats. And here we can see the rabbits are very closer to us. Then we say these are rabbits. So next one, the bananas. The bananas are very close to us. Then we say these are bananas. And here you can see children the cats. The cats are far away from us. Then we say those are cats. Here down you can see the next picture, kites. the kites are far away from us, then we say those are kites. Here you can see the birds are close to us, then we say these are birds. Yes, children. So here we learn how the things are far away and close to us. So the things which are close to us and they are more than one, then we use their these. And the things which are far away from us and when they are more than one, we use their those. Yes. So here let us start the exercise. So here look at the pictures and write sentences using these or those. Look at the pictures. And write sentences using these and those. These and those. Yes, children. Now here there is one work, children, that you have to draw the pictures. If not, you can get it Xerox and stick and write the sentences in your notebooks. So here we will begin the sentences now. Yes, children, we will begin the sentences now. Answers. Yes. Now you have seen I have drawn all the pictures on the board. Yes. Now see, the thing which is very near to us and when it is more than one, we use their what? These. The thing which is more than one but it is far away from us, then we use their these. So first one, the puppies are very far. So we use their what? Those are puppies. Those are puppies. Dash are pens. So they are very near to us. Then we write here, these are pens. Dash are boats. The boats are far away from us. So we use their, those are boats. Here, dash are rabbits. The rabbits are very close. They are sitting very close to us. So we use their, these are rabbits. Dash are bananas. Dash are bananas. The bananas are close to us. So we use their, these are bananas. Dash are cats. The cats are far away. So we say, those are cats. Dash are kites. The kites are far away from us. We use their, those are cats. Next, dash are birds. So we say the birds are close. So we say these are birds. Yes. Now coming to the next section, that is next page. Fill in the blanks using these or those. Second main, fill in the blanks using these or those. These or those. So here children, again the same thing. The things which are close, we use these. The things which are far, we use those. So here, let us write now the first one. Dash are. Dash are roses. Second one, dash are pencils. Pencils. Third one, dash are crayons. Are crayons. Fourth one, dash are oranges. Oranges. Dash are glasses. Fifth one, children, dash are glasses. Glasses means they are more than one. Yes. We are going to complete the sentence by using these pictures. Yes, now see. Dash are roses. Children, there are more than one rose. That means there are 3 roses. But the roses are close to us. They are near to us. So we write there, these are roses. These are roses. Now next, dash are pencils. Here you can see the pencils are far away. Yes or no? The pencils are far away. So here we write those. Those are pencils. Those are pencils. Dash are crayons. Crayons, color pencils you bring now whenever you draw the drawing. In drawing period you use. After drawing you color it. So those are called as what? Crayons. So they are near to us. So we write there, these are crayons. Dash are oranges. Orange. Mosam hanu tintirana? Yes. So the oranges are far. So we write, those are oranges. Next, dash are glasses. The glasses are near to us, close to us. Yes or no? They are close to us. So we write there, these are glasses. These are glasses. Here, dash are tomatoes. See, the tomatoes are far away. Yes or no? They are not close. So we write there, those are tomatoes. Those are tomatoes. Dash are grapes. The grapes, the bunch of the grapes is nearer to us. So we write there, these are grapes. Dash are books. And the books are far away. So we write, those are books. Dash are cups. The cups are close to us. So we write, these are cups. Dash are trees. The trees are far away. So we write, those are trees. Yes, children. By this, I have completed this chapter, these and those. Remember, children, when the things are more than one, then we use there these and those. These is used for the things which are closer to us, and those is used for the things which are far away from us. Yes, children. So, you will have to revise this topic. So, now children, we will learn these and those. So, here you can see some of the pictures which are close and which are far away. The key point to identify the things where we have to use these and those. These is used for the things which are near, and those is used for the things which are far from us. So, these and those. So, you can see some balloons, children. So, the balloons are closer to the lady. So, we say these are balloons. Kites are far away. We use their those. Here you can see chocolates. They are close to us. We use these. And cupcakes are far away from us. We use their those. Here, next. Sentences using these and those. Yes. Banana. Just now we have solved the exercise, children. The bananas are close. We say these are bananas. Here apples are far away. We say those are apples. Yes, you can see the sentence. Those are apples. So here you can see now, dash are coconuts. Yes, children, we say these are coconuts. The next, dash are eggs. These are nearer. We say these are eggs. Next, dash are glasses. They are far away, so we use there. Those are glasses. Dash are butterflies. These are close, children, so we say these are butterflies. So now, children, you saw how do we use these and those. I have shown you some of the images, children, with the arrow mark. You saw, children, they had given the arrow mark. The thing which is far away, then we use there those. The thing which is very close, we put a small arrow mark. There we use these. Yes, children. By this, I have completed this today's topic using these and those. Children, you all have to write all these notes in your grammar part, in your English fair book, and send me the photocopy. If your parents can help you in drawing, then you can take the help of hand drawing, or else you can get the Xerox and stick it in your notebooks. See which are the things far and which are the things close. Model pictures anna stick ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ sentence ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Have a great day.